People collect Pokemon cards, but I collect credit card and debit cards. And why do we do this? So when you are poor, which is basically less than $1 million in North America, is that most banks won't give you access to a lot of capital or B, a lot of access to your own money. What I'm trying to say is a lot of banks will only give you immediate access to like 3 or 2 grand or maybe 5 or 10 grand if you know have a special account with them or whatever, or have a business account. But what if you need more than that ASAP within 24 hours? What do you do? What do you need 24? Let's say you just need 20,000. Most people, I'm telling you, 99% of people cannot get $20,000 out of their bank account within 24 hours of an unexpected situation. I can just go to 4 or 5 different banks and just withdraw like basically four, three, $2,000 whatever limits. And it may take some time because I have to, drive to a bunch of different accounts or sorry, branches, but it will get done within 24 hours. So you get access to more capital of your own money in cash if you need it in like dire situations, which happen. I think it happens at least once a lifetime, so if not multiple times. And then two, access to capital in terms of credit. So most banks will not give you, let's say, 100K unsecured credit from the get-go to someone new or to even someone with some history. They'll give you somewhere between like 500 to maybe like 25,000 or something as your first credit limit. But what if you want like 100,000? You're gonna do something with it. You want to like make money off of it. How do you do that? Well, ultimately you basically build relationships with a bank, and then the banks kind of just pre-approve you for those credit cards, and usually those pre-approvals have a stronger chance of getting processed. So then ultimately, just multiple banks approve you for multiple credit cards with 5, 10, 15, $25,000 limits. So like you can easily build your limit from the typical $5,000 that someone has to now, let's say 50 or 100 or 200. It really depends on like certain circumstances, but ultimately it will be much higher than the average Joe. Okay. So multiple debit cards allows for multiple credit cards, which just allows for multiple access to credit sources, which then allows you to do stuff with it. You know what I mean? Make money. I'll show you how to make money.